The Precision Pruner, TRP Optimum, is a high-tech pruning tool designed for professional use in the agricultural industry. This precision pruner is designed to make precise cuts on branches of up to 45 millimeters in diameter with unparalleled speed and efficiency, making it an ideal tool for vineyards, orchards, and nurseries. The TRP Optimum is an ergonomically designed handheld tool that is easy to handle thanks to its lightweight and compact design. Its comfortable grip allows for easy and precise pruning, reducing hand fatigue during long pruning sessions. The TRP's cutting head is made of high-quality steel, with a unique cutting angle that provides an effortless and clean cut on even the toughest branches. This cutting head is also easily replaceable, making it a cost-effective choice for professional users. One of the standout features of the TRP Optimum is its high-speed cutting capability. This tool can make up to 4,000 cuts per minute, making it the fastest in the market.